Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a movement that I think will serve you well when you're 90. We're gonna do goblet box squats or goblet sits. And all you do is you're gonna get a kettlebell, and you can start from standing. You don't have to start from sitting. But let's start from standing. So you grab your kettlebell and you sit down, but you sit down, and then you're gonna raise a leg, squeeze your leg really straight, so your quad muscle, and you're gonna squeeze your leg really straight, and then you're gonna stand up, and that's one. So then you sit down, squeeze, knee goes straight so that you can flex that quad, knee goes straight, and then you stand up. This does so many wonderful things. So because you're holding this weight the whole time, you're strengthening your core. Really, you are. You'll feel it. But because you sit down and you actually sit, you take tension off the legs, and when you initiate the stand, everything has to turn on to get you to stand up. This builds your standing power from sitting, which when you're 90, you're gonna want standing power from sitting. You wanna be able to get up and down out of a chair easily, because that's life and that's vitality, and it's life to you, even when you're 60. You don't have to wait till you're 90. And we're squeezing the legs here because it makes you take your time, causes you to have to hold this weight longer. And when we pick the leg up, you don't have tension on the system. A lot of people, when they do their box squats, they just tap and go. But we want more than that. We want to be able to start from zero. And here, I'm forcing myself to be patient, start from zero, initiate, stand up. So sit down, tension's off the system, squeeze those quads, because why not? We're working them, especially when we stand, right? So I'm just double dipping there, but it allows you to take time, gives you something to do, while you make sure you're taking tension off the system, so that now when I'm ready to stand, tension's on the system, and I stand back up. And by the way, if you hold this for any appreciable amount of time while you do, let's say you do 10 reps, you're strengthening your whole body. You're gonna feel your lats, you're gonna feel your abs, you're gonna feel your upper back muscles behind your shoulder blades. Good stuff's happening, right? So we're accumulating time under tension, and we're teaching our body how to go from kind of relaxed, because my legs are relaxed here, I can pick them up, and now I'm gonna initiate, stand up, juices back in the legs, juices in the whole system. Anyway, give that a shot. This is a great way to build your stand power from sitting. And when you're older, life is about being able to move easily, getting in and out of a chair. It's not about, that's not what we want. That's not vitality. We are made to be strong always, and this is just a way to take advantage of your design and build strength in the positions that you're gonna find yourself in, the positions you're gonna wanna be strong in and from when it's time to move from those positions. Anyway, guys, give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.